Okay, so welcome to the demo of SEO Snapshot. This is a SEO analysis report card that you can do by simply just putting in a URL, and it's going to analyze that website in terms of a search engine's perspective. So all you need to do to get started is click on Create New Report, and then it's going to ask you for the website URL. So I'm just going to put in a website URL. Now you can also put in a Facebook page URL. That's optional, which will gather some Facebook stats. So I'll go ahead and do that. And you can do the same thing with a Twitter profile. And then you can choose how often you want this to run. Now, just for this example, I'm just going to do, say, every 2 weeks, but you could run it every month or once a day. It's completely up to you, and it'll update the statistics. Now, it's going to process. It's going to take about a minute or two because it's going to collect a lot of data. So what I'll do is I'll pause this video really quick, and then we'll come back and we will take a look at the data that it's pulled. We're back, and so it created this report for us. So it shows you the title tag, the description, the URL, the load time, the IP address, the overall SEO score based on all of this data. And there's actually quick links to all of these different sub columns or sub chapters within this report. So you can see traffic estimations, social networks, page speed, mobile analysis, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and then some other kind of miscellaneous stuff. So you can look at your Alexa popular rank. If you're showing up on Compete or not, it'll show you your traffic estimates. It'll show you Facebook shares, likes, and comments if you do put in a Facebook page. Also the number of tweets and Google Plus shares. And then right now there's no Facebook fan page, but if there was, it would analyze that as well. And then it shows you your page speed, so redirects and compression and leveraging caching on your website if you do or don't. Reducing server response time, minify, CSS, HTML, JavaScript. So it talks more just about some of the technical things. Optimizing your images. Then it talks about mobile, so avoiding landing page redirects and plugins and things like that. Then it goes down after mobile. It talks about on-page SEO factors like what your title and description, your meta keywords, if you're using H1 tags and images. Then it analyzes the content for you, which keywords you're using on the specific on the page, as well as if that keyword is in the title, description, and in the H1. And you can not only use this for your own page, but also for competitors. Okay. Then it gives you a keyword cloud as to what keywords you're using, and then it goes into on-page outbound links, so links that are going outside to other sources, and then also some technical things like if the www resolves, if you have a robots text file, sitemap, underscores in the title, your page rank, the number of pages indexed on Google, number of pages indexed on Bing, if you installed Google Analytics, if you have a favicon. So as you can see, guys, it covers a lot of different things, all just from the click of just putting in a URL. And you can actually click on print, and you can do like a save to PDF if you want to save this for a client, or if you want to print this out like during a meeting, you can do that as well. So it's very, very simple to use. All you need to do is put in your URL, and it gathers all of this data in just a matter of a minute or two. So it's a huge time saver. Instead of having to manually go and grab all of this data manually, it gives you a nice professional looking report that you can utilize for clients and your own internal sites.